What was I gonna do today? Somebody said once in a video to write these down where they went because you will forget. Unfortunately, I busted this. It holds 3 of them. That kind of hurt me off. But it said, that's not what we're talking about. What we're talking about today is this choke. I've got a hot air choke. You can tell it from the tubes coming off the intake manifold here. So inside this guy, I know I put it together wrong because I thought that coiled up spring would either fit on one side or the other side of the inside of this, and I was totally wrong. It's supposed to fit in the middle. But this vacuum wire going to the bottom of my carburetor plate, I wrote down is coming out of here, but instead I put this one there. I brought the wrong screwdriver, so I'm going to take off this black cover here and we'll talk again. Alright, so this is what the inside looks like without the cover. This is what I was talking about. Oops. I want you to go all the way back, buddy. Anyway, this guy right here, I thought put it on one side or the other, but it is not. It is that goes right in between those. So you kind of have to do it with your eyes closed. Oh wait, it's going to be pretty close to there. It's going to take my other hand, but that's where it should be. Right in between there. Ooh, I think I saw it. Alright, I'm going to go back to no camera so I can do this with both hands. And we'll just put this guy back on and put the screws back on. It's got to lean. And the last problem I have is with this guy likes to stall. If this doesn't sit all the way back and you slap on the gas, a stall comes out. And I'd like to get rid of that. I don't know how to do that yet. But we're going to do this. I'm also going to change that vacuum line off the throttle plate to here. I forgot to mention this. This little triangle gasket, whatever, flange, only goes on one way. So on this side it's not lining up. So don't forget to get that facing the right way before you put in screws, because then you'll just have to start over. Alright, it started a couple days ago, so I'm hoping it's not going to be asking me for starter fluid today. It almost went. Oh, there we go. Without the can of starter fluid, and it dies. So it seems like it's going to be a little pain. I don't know enough about carburetors to adjust that thing to make it work right. I wish it did. I'm going to mess with some stuff. But yeah, if you step on it right away, it just stalls out. And it's really almost pert near impossible for me to put my foot on the gas pedal that slow. I just can't do it. It's usually all the way down or cruise control. Alright. Let's let it warm up and maybe we'll take it for a drive. Maybe not. I don't know. So in the middle of a 6-lane intersection, making a left turn, that's where it decided to stall out and die on me. Left me stranded there. So I'm looking out both ways not to get hit by cars, trying to get it restarted. I'm going to give it a tune-up. Points, plugs, and condenser. And I don't think that's going to fix the stalling, but you should have a better start to find out what's causing it to stall.